Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're looking at this 2006 Mercedes E350 4MATIC, and it's here for multiple issues, but one of the issues is brake pad wear sensor light is on and it won't clear with new sensors, as it has fairly new brake pads on it. This car hasn't been driven much, so the rotors look a little rusty, but the pad sensors are new and it won't clear. The fluid level is fine. So what I found is that this whole connector over here, this little bracket that is supposed to be plugged in over here, it was loose like this, and this wires, ABS and brake sensor wire, which goes from here, were rubbing against the CV boot or CV axle, and they damaged the wires. Here, I can show you a little bit better. It's kind of hard to see. As you can see, a little bit damage over here. Let's see. Right here, and it cut through the wire. The ABS sensor wire has a similar wear right here, although the ABS wire still works. There is no lights for that one, but this one got damaged, so this one needs to be repaired. And this is the wire that goes in the back of the sensor connector, and it travels all the way back towards the ECU, I believe. So this one will need to be repaired. So is the other one, and then this one correctly placed back. I'm gonna put it back once I repair the wiring. So if you have a W211 or W219 or any other Mercedes for that matter that won't clear the brake sensor lights, if you have new sensors, check the wiring, make sure it's intact and it's not damaged by anything. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.